들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 전생고 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이 아침에 일어나서 부은 눈이 너무 아름다운 너희들로 조금만 더 누르기 바래 조금만.
Okay, so I finished my phonetics homework. That took me like an hour, but honestly, like, at least it's done. Also, I like injured my finger this morning. I noticed that my finger was bleeding and I don't have any band-aids, so I'm using a napkin. Hey everyone, I'm back from class. I was low-key like spacing out because I was so tired from waking up early this morning. I'm probably going to stop by the library really quick and get some work done. I have some stickers to order. I have an essay due on Thursday and I low-key haven't started, so I'm probably gonna work on that. But right now, I'm probably going to make some Alfredo pasta because I've been craving it for so long.
Big water.
So like how many of y'all are into
Hey everyone, I'm back from being out. I got dinner. So I got a half pizza and I also got a cookie dish that comes with ice cream, but I'm gonna eat that later. I'm gonna watch Jujutsu Kaisen because I haven't caught up yet. I don't remember what episode I was on. Girl,
I'd escape upward too if I were you. Come straight at us. Lucky! With an entry.
oh my god, I'm done. Finally, oh my gosh, that took forever. Okay, it's currently 12:42, a lot later than I would have liked, but I'm gonna get ready for bed because I'm so tired. So recently I've been using the Honey Melty series for my shampoo and conditioner, and I'm also using the Aniwa Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil, and I like to double cleanse, so I use another cleanser. It's so good, it's my favorite. And I also use the Pheno hair mask. It makes my hair super soft. As for body wash, I love using Method. It's my favorite, and yeah. Hey everyone, it's 7:26 right now. I spent all day editing, so I'm really sorry about that. I low-key want to dye my hair back to my original hair color. Let's walk to CVS. This is the outfit. I got this sweater from Cody Book, this necklace from Bug Girl on Instagram. She's my favorite jewelry artist, and I get most of my necklace pieces from her. I think I'm gonna get this one. When I get ready, I feel so much more productive, so I really enjoy going to cafes and libraries to get some work done. So this is the outfit for today, and my top and jacket are from Yes Style, my shorts are from Brandy, my socks are from Cody Book, and I decided to wear some Uggs because it is kind of cold outside. One of my favorite scents recently has been the Sol de Janeiro scent from Sephora, and as you can tell, I've used all of it. It literally stays on my skin like all day, and that's what I love about this scent. So some of you guys may know that I'm a small business owner, and I recently purchased these Gojo sticker designs that I made, and here I am counting all of them to make sure I have the right inventory. I'm still working on a website, but if you want to know when I finalize the website, you can check my Instagram, Joffe Cup, and my main, which is right here, for updates. The guac is probably my favorite part of Chipotle. I also got some cheese. This is the outfit. Oh, by the way, it's Saturday. So I'm wearing a headband from Yes Style. This bolero is from Lucan. This top is from Lucan. The jeans are from Old Navy and my socks are from Amazon. Bag is from Yes Style. That is sweet. I used the Flower Nose Blush, and this is in the shade 5. And that's it. We're at IKEA. We're thinking of getting food. So cool. I don't know if I should get that one or a desk lamp. This one looks pretty too. Should we put it on the bottom? Right? Yeah. This section is my favorite part. Where's our car? It's like, what the heck is going on? I'm excited to eat s'mores.
That's too burnt.
What? Wait, which one's mine?
Can I make it like more romantic?
I'm scared it's gonna fall.
It's not gonna hurt you, promise.
Our project.
Otherwise you will attack me.
Oh my god, guys.
Put it in the fire.
It's over.
Yay!
Burn it.
Burn.
Burn it. After the s'mores. Let's get some ear like this. I'm kidding.
This is the coolest thing we've ever done.
So at the beginning of December, I basically just sold at an art market and it was so fun and I'm so happy that I got so much support there. I've been doing a lot of pop-up markets lately and I really want to transition into having an online website so a lot of more people can buy my art because I know my stickers and prints make a lot of people happy. And like I said, I'm working on a website and hopefully I can get it done soon so I can start selling online and promoting my small business because I'm so passionate about it. If you have any video suggestions that you want me to do in the future, comment them down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I found the jelly cats. Maybe the deluxe meal. It's so folded.